This is third part of your revision video.
Now you have to arrange numbers in ascending order. Can you arrange these numbers in ascending order? How you will arrange? Smallest number will come first. Yes, and then bigger, bigger and biggest. So which number is smallest? Compare thousand place digit. Digit is 2, 3, 8 and 1. So 1 is the smallest. It means 1386 is the smallest number. So it will come first. And after that, yes, 2893 and then 3240 and at the last 8329. Yes. In second question, arrange the following numbers in descending order. It means greatest number will come first and after that smaller, smaller and smallest. So can you find which number is greatest? You can see at thousand place 9 is given. So you have to compare 100 place digit, that is 5, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is greatest. So 9729 is the greatest number. So it will come first and after that 9625 and then 9556 and at the last 9526. You know, first we compare 1000 place digit, then 100 place digit and then tens place digit and at the last ones place digit. This is the last question of your recall exercise. Put the sign of less than, greater than and equal. So in first question, we have to compare numbers, that is 1002 and 1020. So compare the digits from left side. Leftmost digit is 1. 1 is present in both numbers. So we have to compare 100 place digit. There is 0. 0 is also same in both numbers. Now we will compare tens place digit. That is 0 and 2. So 0 is less than 2. It means 1002 is less than 1020. So we will put the sign of less than. This is the sign of less than. So we put sign like this. In second question, number is 3540 and right side number is 5430. So compare leftmost digit, that is 3 and 5. 3 is less than 5. It means 3540 is less than 5430. So we will put the sign like this. In third question, number is 8825 and right side 8625. So compare leftmost digit, that is 8. 8 is same in both numbers. So we will compare 100 place digit, that is 8 and 6. So 8 is greater than 6. It means 8825 is greater than 8625. In next question, number is 8357 and right side also number is same. So we will put the sign of equal. Left number is equal to right number, that is 8357. In last question, number is 3540 and right side number is 2540. So compare 1000 plus digit, that is 3 and 2. So 3 is greater than 2. It means 3540 is greater than 2540. So we will put the sign of greater than. This is the sign of greater than. So we put sign like this. This is place value chart. You know that for reading and writing large numbers, we use place value chart. For 6-digit number, you know the places of 6-digit numbers are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. And value of 1 is 1, value of tens is 10, and value of hundreds is 100, and like this all values are represented in place value chart. You can see each place on the left has a value 10 times more than the value of the place on the right side. This is the way of representing numbers into place value chart. So see the numbers 8436. 6 will be below 1's place, 3 will be below 10's place, 4 will be below 100's place, and 8 will be below 1000's place. We had already discussed in earlier classes. So you can represent some more numbers. Yes. Using place value chart, we can find place value also. So can you say what is the place value of 4? Because 4 is at 100's place, it means place value of 4 is 4 into 100. 400. Yes. Now can you say what is the place value of 3? Underlined 3. Yes. The underlined 3 is below lakh place. So place value of digit 3 is 3 lakh.